They call it the island in the sky. Today, we're touring 11 Chisel Crest, a custom estate located in the guard-gated community of Ascaya.
This home was designed by Michael Gardner to literally float over the canyon's edge.
Melissa Tomastic, the director of sales for Ascaya, is going to be giving us the grand tour, so come with us. We can't wait to show you everything there is to see. In a home like this, you don't want walls, you demand views.
The Jewel Box offers 270 degrees of city, mountain, and Las Vegas Strip views. An 8-car garage is a rare find in Ascaya.
And perfect for the car connoisseur. Just off the 8-car garage is an attached, yet separate casita, which is currently being featured as a wellness center.
Or you can use it as a guest suite. How would you use this space?
This elegant kitchen plays center stage.
And every great performance needs a backstage. This chef's prep kitchen is it.
We're getting ready to meet with Melissa Tomastic, the director of sales at Ascaya, so come check out this beautiful home with us. Hi, Melissa.
Hi, welcome in. Great to see you guys.
Great to see you too.
Thanks for coming in. We're so happy to have you at 11 Chisel Crest Court.
Thank you for having us. We're excited to tour this magnificent estate. Okay, Melissa, first impressions. There's a lot of glass and everywhere is beautiful views.
Absolutely. So I noticed that when individuals walk in here, they're immediately greeted by these gorgeous windows and this mountain backdrop, right? Your eye kind of gets pulled over here towards the backyard. It's an extremely private lot. So we're on a corner lot here at the edge of Chisel Crest Court, and you kind of get surrounded by the beautiful Las Vegas Strip view in front of us and then this gorgeous mountain view to the side of us.
Yes, it's definitely jaw-dropping. My eyes are drawn this way. And then these beautiful floating stairs.
Yes.
I love this as well. This
Yes.
is a great feature.
It's an architectural statement piece right when you walk in, right? You're getting a nice mix of organic materials. You're getting this gorgeous wood, mixed metals. It's stunning. And then you get the gorgeous nature behind you.
I love it. Talk to me about this space.
So upon entering, you have the stairs on your right. You have this gorgeous mountain backdrop with the backyard. And then over here, we're met with this nice lounge area. So we treat it kind of as a game room. It's nice for lounging. You have a gorgeous Miele appliance over here with refrigeration. And then we wanted to add some fun. So you can actually play pool over here. So this is actually kind of a guest quarters. So you have 2 guest suites, which are en suite on our right and on our left. And then you have the lounge area. And then over to our right over here, you have the 8-car garage with your casita.
Okay, which is very rare for Ascaya.
Very rare,
Correct?
very
Okay.
rare. So an 8-car garage, ample space for an individual who has lots of hobbies, even lots of toys.
You have like this pocket of goodness over there that you can't see from the street.
It's completely hidden.
It is very hidden.
All right, so let's move on from the guest quarters and take you to get a little sneak peek of the 8-car garage and the casita.
So inside you have an 8-car garage.
Correct.
Correct. And then on the outside you can store or house a few other vehicles.
Yes, correct. And there's a nice landing area. There's an ample space for turning around, getting down seamlessly through the gate.
Yeah, I noticed that there's a lot of space.
Yes, lots of space.
Okay.
Very friendly towards our drivers.
Okay, so this is the entrance to the main house.
Correct.
And then on the left, we're going to the entrance to the casita.
Correct.
Okay.
So very well segregated. That way it's ensuring a lot more privacy space for a guest or a next gen.
Okay. All right, let's see it. So just to orient the buyer, this is access to the backyard.
Backyard pool.
And then behind Eon is the door to the garage, but then you also have access to this beautiful backyard and this mountain.
Yes.
That is breathtaking.
That is technically yours. So that is a part of this parcel, is this gorgeous mountain right here. So it's extremely private. It gives it this gorgeous slate texture. And I really think it adds another element of being kind of encompassed and safe in nature.
So this space is being featured as a wellness center.
Yes, correct. So it is a bedroom. However, we wanted to add a wellness amenity to this property, as we feel an individual that is going to show interest in this house is going to really care about health, wellness, lifestyle. So we thought it was the perfect element to add to 11 Chisel Crest.
But if someone didn't want this as a wellness center, they could make this a guest suite because it has its own dedicated laundry room, kitchenette, access to the backyard, or both sides.
Both, yes.
Both. And then access to the garage, so somebody can come and go without having to go through the main house.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then you have these gorgeous linear diffusers, shade pocket.
I love how the wood on the ceiling is beautiful.
Yeah, it adds a warmth element to the property. So you're getting these gorgeous elements just kind of mixing in. You have this beautiful backyard, which is completely separate from the pool area on our left. And then also over here, if someone wanted to turn this into a dog run, I feel like that might be a perfect location. But again, like this is your own private mountain behind us.
Wow.
Yeah, I love these pockets of goodness. So you have this space here to get creative with.
Yes.
You can have this space just for like a zen zone.
Yes.
You have a beautiful backdrop, view fencing, your own mountain.
What doesn't
and
it
we haven't
have?
even seen the main house. So this is fantastic.
Yeah. So over here, we're actually gonna get pulled towards the backyard on our left, which leads us into the grilling station, the pool area, the fire pit. So expansive views on our right over here, nice lounge area, and then your own private pool. Which
Oh, this is a nice touch. I love the fire
It kind of
feature.
shields you from the elements as well, right over here with the way that they position the property. It gets a bit of wind protection over here, and then it's extremely private.
So this is the door to the casita?
Correct.
Okay.
So we could have walked straight through here, and then we're gonna walk this way, which continues us back to where we started at the entrance of the house.
And so you have an outdoor kitchen area, which is great. So you can entertain, lounge in the pool, or you could sit by the fire pit. Like you have a bunch of different stations that you can entertain and or not entertain and just sit in solitude and enjoy your house.
Exactly. There's a lot of elements here that you can, kind of make it your own every single day.
And then they carried the wood throughout I love this wood. It's so pretty.
And then it's the same situation in the upstairs patio.
Before we go inside, can you talk to me about the exterior texture?
So we have like a smooth concrete element. Over here, you're incorporating woods, metals, and then you obviously have the wood above us, which is same breakdown how it is on the upstairs patio. But they really wanted to add a mixture of all these elements to really have a modern touch, but with warmth. So kind of leading us into the rest of the design of the house. They really wanted a nice balance of modern kind of industrial. You're seeing the Las Vegas Strip, and then you're kind of encompassed and highly involved with nature and organic materials.
With 270-degree views, you get the city, the Strip, and then you get the mountains.
Yep, exactly.
So you get it all.
Exactly. So now we're gonna go upstairs and show you why we call this the jewel box of Ascaya.
Ooh.
Jewel box. So you have these beautiful floating stairs, which on this landing, you'll see that there's two different ways to go. So multiple directions here. You can go up to our
Oh, and this opens too.
beautiful covered patio. So again, mixing all these gorgeous elements.
This is a great place
Incredible
to
view.
sit and enjoy and entertain as well.
Incredible view up here. But yeah, nice solitude. It's connected to one of the bedrooms, which we'll tour in a minute. We're treating it as an office at this time for staging, but it's technically a bedroom, and you can wake up with this gorgeous east side morning sun. So it really is bright and full of light.
So if you're entertaining out here, you have access to the kitchen through this slider.
Yes,
Correct.
So you can technically open up all these individual doors and have this really be a continuous space, really like open concept. And then as you can see, we're already getting a preview of the formal dining. Depending on the location you're sitting at, you're getting strip views from the dining.
Oh, wow.
Even from here.
You could sit right here and enjoy the
Exactly.
Strip. So you get the Las Vegas Strip and the mountains.
And the mountain. And then as we walk in, so I love this hallway, by the way. As I was saying like earlier, this house is meant to have a nice blend of the gorgeous mountain view, and then you're also met with the Las Vegas Strip. So it has a nice balance.
Yeah, I don't think in video you can see how like beautiful this view is of the mountains, and then you get the Strip.
This corridor is incredible,
Yes,
though, right?
it is. And I would just line this up with art.
Agreed.
Oh, this is a statement.
Yes, so this is a fun one. We have a temperature-controlled wine display, which leads us into our catwalk going into the formal dining.
This is perfect. This is a perfect space. As you walk down the hallway, or when you're having dinner, or walking up the stairs, it's a work of art.
And you can see it even from the main level.
And the views just continue from every room, which I think is a given.
Correct.
So this formal dining room is beautiful. These floor-to-ceiling windows really make it.
Styling windows, they did an incredible job on this property. It really made this upstairs pop. So even through dining, you got this gorgeous view, another refrigerator, so a nice little hosting area. You can put, some high-end alcohol up here, and then you kind of get pulled this direction, which is the great room. But you're gonna get distracted over here because this is one of the most beautiful.
Okay, I noticed pocket doors.
Yes.
And this is actually it's a beautiful space. I love the Taj Mahal, how they carried it through the entire home, and then it goes all the way up, the backsplash.
Backsplash, yep, exactly. They did a great job with integrating the stone. You have all Miele appliances, and then tons of storage in this little pantry area. I think it makes a great area for food prep, especially if you're having events, you're hosting people, have the fun and chaos back here, and then out there, it's just seamless and beautiful.
Yeah, this is beautiful. I'd be happy to cook in here.
So this is the great room, and this is why they call it
so this
toolbox.
is center stage.
Correct.
This kitchen is magnificent. And this island, you have, did you say 20 feet?
Yeah, it's over 20 feet long.
So this island's over 20 feet to display tons of food if you're entertaining.
Exactly.
Or whatever you wish.
So I'm glad that you pointed out the Taj Mahal. There was over, I believe, 20 slabs when designing this home of how to incorporate it into the property. And again, up into this backsplash area, met with your Miele appliances, and then the pit integration. I mean, seamless, gorgeous cooking. When it comes to design, like it's put into the stone.
So this is your art. So if you're entertaining, you would put all your stuff in the secondary kitchen or the prep kitchen so that it doesn't distract from its beauty.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Keep this nice and seamless, and this is a statement piece in its own. It doesn't need much.
Yeah, I love the lighting, and they hid the hood. And talk to me about the ambient lighting and the way.
So you'll notice this kind of all throughout the property, and at night, this place just glows so beautifully. So you're seeing this little pocket over here. We have pre-wires for shades, but we wanted to make sure that the entire perimeter glowed. So you'll even see that in the hallway on our left. You'll see it throughout this room, downstairs. That's kind of how this property got its nickname. So the jewel box, kind of when you have the aha moment of opening a treasure chest and everything glows gold and beautiful, and you have all these, 270-degree views.
This is definitely, it's like a treasure box.
It's a gem, yeah.
This is the jewel box. It's absolutely beautiful with your skyline windows. You have views of everything. And I can imagine at night, it's like you're floating. And you have the strip in the distance and the stars.
Well, you literally are, because it's cantilevered.
Yes.
So we have a unique design on this specific property, which the developer wanted to incorporate the design into the home site, the way the home site was oriented. So this just made the most sense.
Talk to me about the cantilevered design, because there's not a lot of homes that offer that, maybe here in Ascaya or overall in the valley.
Correct. So this is a unique take for us, but we knew that this home site deserves some incredible design that set it apart, especially when we wanted to consider the Las Vegas Strip and the elevation of the mountain, that we wanted something unique that was architecturally significant and different than any other spec that we'd ever built. So when it comes to this room, they wanted it to intentionally jet out to really take advantage of that Las Vegas Strip. But that's not only the only offering here, right? You have the snow-capped mountains on our left, and then you have this gorgeous mountain range on our right, and you're able to actually look over the properties in front of us.
So the elevation is about 20 for this particular home, because Ascaya is above the valley floor.
Correct. So
this
depending
would be
on the mountain, you'd have to look at the specific parcel, but it ranges even at the very top of the mountain to the almost 3,500 range at the very top.
And you also get to see the planes come in.
I was gonna say, look at where the airplane is. We're about pretty aligned with that one.
How therapeutic.
Yeah. Another element that I love bringing up is this fireplace.
I love it.
You don't see it often, right?
No, and like we had talked about earlier, it feels like the Jetsons a little bit.
Jetsons. I love that you said that, because that's what I first said when I heard the design.
But I don't want to minimize the design, because this is fantastic. It's floating at night with the twinkling of the lights and the fireplace lit. And the stars. It's a moment, right?
Everything just glows. Everything just glows here. And then you also have an outdoor grilling area, a nice covered patio over here on the left. So you have this metal paneling, which kind of encompasses the rest of the side of the house, which gives it that really sleek, modern look. So again, mentioning that mixture of textiles and materials that really give it a nice balance of earthy but modern. Look at the shading that this is moving throughout the day. As the sun goes down, it continues to move in towards the great room. So it's just another architectural design.
And I like the balance of the metal with the floors. You have that light and dark, so in the summer, the floors aren't so hot that you can't come out here.
Agreed.
And then you have another outdoor
grill
space to grill and to eat and dine and entertain.
Yes. And then even cocktails at the end of the night. Like imagine sitting here with, you know, a glass of wine, enjoying that view, or even having a full dinner out here.
Okay, Melissa, we know that the primary bedroom is very important and primary bathroom. So take us to the space. We'd love to see it.
So you have a bedroom over here, which we have treated as an office. And then you have an ensuite on your right with a full closet built out. But this is such a beautiful room because imagine if you did treat this as an office, having that incredible morning sun to wake you up.
You know, I don't think we mentioned these floors. Talk to me about these floors because we love them.
I adore these floors as well. Actually, they wanted to make sure that they were sticking with a little bit of a warmer element here, making sure that it's aligned with the Taj Mahal stone. So they kept a really light white oak all throughout this second level. So you can see how it really kind of continued that warming element. And who doesn't love a lighter wood?
So this is absolutely gorgeous.
Isn't it?
Your view, the balcony, your skyline windows. It's very zen in here.
Yes.
And I love the windows up above. It makes you feel more like it's more private.
And a lot of texture on these walls. So you're getting just movement here, right?
This is very pretty. It's kind of like an oyster shell.
I'm really excited for you to see the primary bath because since you like this wall.
How would you describe this?
Some kind of plaster application. I believe it was like a Venetian plaster.
It reminds me of like a pearl, like an oyster, like just natural.
The sheen, the movement of the sheen. Yeah. And then you have this patio, which is reserved just for the primary bedroom. So again, with that gorgeous kind of slated mountain being yours, nice sitting area.
Because when you own 11 Chiselcrest, you own the mountain.
Yes.
So you get the best.
Yes.
You get the views, the mountain, and the home.
And then you're getting this natural light. So this is the east side. So you're getting morning light coming in through these windows as well. So you're always going to have this gorgeous light coming in. And then this leads us into the primary bath.
Can't wait to see it. Wow.
So look at the texture that this is supplying. So you have the gorgeous limestone aesthetic all throughout the entire bathroom.
This limestone is beautiful.
So when we say spa, this is what we mean. This feels like a spa.
It feels like the Four Seasons. It is very spa-like. And I like it smoked glass.
So it gives a little bit more privacy when especially if you're in the bathtub. They wanted to also spoil you, so you're having the body sprays, the 2 separate shower heads, as well as the rainfall shower head.
Oh, this is pretty. This is a perfect space. I love this island.
So very large drawers. That's honestly, this is one of my favorite aspects is being able, and it has like a jewelry built in over here.
And they're deep.
They're deep, yes. And then you're also getting a trough sink as well, which I love. I like that aesthetic, sink. Nice and integrated. And then again with that light, all this light coming in. Gives you nice natural light, but also you're still having a lot of privacy back here, so.
I think they did this bathroom exceptionally well. Melissa, we want to thank you for this private tour. This is an architectural masterpiece.
So glad to have you. Thank you for coming in.
So if you want to own the jewel box and a piece of a mountain, contact us for details.